In the early months of 2024, off the sun-drenched coast of Costa Rica, a group of seasoned divers embarked on what they thought would be a routine underwater exploration. But as they glided over the rocky ocean floor, something extraordinary caught their eyes, something that seemed almost too vibrant, too surreal to be real. There, nestled among the sand and coral, was a nurse shark unlike any they had ever seen, a dazzling, almost glowing orange Atlantic nurse shark. Its color was so intense it looked as if it had been painted by an artist's brush, standing out boldly against the muted blues and grays of the sea. News of this one-in-a-million animal spread rapidly, and by 2025, scientists had confirmed its authenticity. The world was captivated, marine biologists and ocean enthusiasts alike marveling at this living anomaly that seemed to defy the very rules of nature. This was no illusion, no trick of the shifting underwater light. The orange nurse shark was a genuine marvel, a rare living testament to the unpredictable wonders of evolution. Typically, sharks are the masters of disguise. Their muted, earthy tones help them blend seamlessly into the ocean floor, making them nearly invisible to both prey and predators. Camouflage is their secret weapon, a crucial adaptation for survival in the wild. But this particular shark shattered all expectations. Its brilliant orange hue made it impossible to miss, a beacon of color in a world where blending in is usually the key to survival. The question on everyone's mind was simple yet profound. How could such a conspicuous creature survive in the wild, where standing out often means attracting unwanted attention from predators? Scientists were eager to unravel the mystery. What rare genetic twist could have produced such a striking color? Was it a random mutation, or did it serve some unknown purpose in the shark's environment? Normally, the Atlantic nurse shark is a docile, bottom-dwelling species, its skin a blend of grayish-brown tones that help it disappear into the sand. Never before had anyone documented a nurse shark with such a neon, almost fluorescent appearance. The appearance of this orange nurse shark is a vivid reminder of the wild diversity that genetic mutations can create in the natural world. Sometimes, nature's experiments result in something truly spectacular. Marine biologists and researchers rushed to the scene, eager to study this living anomaly up close. They took samples, photographs, and notes, hoping to unlock the secrets hidden within its unique skin and DNA. The story of the orange nurse shark is more than just a tale of rare color. It's a story about adaptation, survival, and the endless surprises that the ocean still holds. It reminds us that even in the most familiar places, nature can still astonish us. Its discovery is a powerful reminder that the sea, vast and mysterious, still holds countless secrets waiting for curious eyes and open minds to find them. The striking orange color of this nurse shark is the result of not just one, but two incredibly rare genetic conditions, albinism and xanthochromism. These two phenomena, when combined, create a visual spectacle that is almost never seen in the wild, especially in a species as large and iconic as the nurse shark. Albinism is a genetic mutation that strips away the shark's usual dark pigment, known as melanin. This leaves the skin almost completely devoid of color, turning it into a blank, pale canvas. Without melanin, the shark loses its natural camouflage, making it stand out in the ocean's blue depths. Xanthochromism, on the other hand, is a condition that causes an overproduction of yellow and orange pigments. These pigments, called carotenoids, are stored in specialized skin cells, giving the animal a vibrant golden hue. In most marine creatures, xanthochromism is extremely rare, and its effects are usually subtle. In most animals, these two conditions are rare enough on their own. Encountering either is a once-in-a-lifetime event for most marine biologists. But to find both albinism and xanthochromism in a single large predator is almost unheard of. It's a genetic coincidence so unlikely it borders on miraculous. The shark's diet plays a crucial role as well. By consuming crustaceans and fish rich in carotenoids, the shark takes in the raw materials needed for its orange pigment, but it's the shark's unique genetics that cause these pigments to accumulate in the skin rather than being masked or balanced by darker tones. The result is a pure, brilliant orange coloration, completely unmasked by any trace of dark melanin. The shark becomes a living beacon, its color shining vividly through the water. This isn't a blend of colors or a subtle shift in hue, it's a single, powerful pigment shining through, the product of a rare genetic lottery that few animals ever win. The orange nurse shark is, in every sense, a living masterpiece, a testament to the unpredictable artistry of nature's genetic palette. Its existence challenges everything we thought we knew about shark coloration, reminding us that the ocean still holds secrets waiting to be discovered, and that nature's creativity knows no bounds. Albinism is the key that makes the orange shark's appearance possible. Without melanin, the shark's skin is pale, allowing the orange pigment to shine. True albinism is rare in sharks. Most don't survive long as their lack of camouflage makes them easy prey. Yet this nurse shark reached adulthood, suggesting it found ways to overcome its vulnerability. The absence of melanin is like priming a canvas white before painting it orange. The color pops. Surviving as an albino in the ocean is tough, but this shark's unique circumstances gave it a chance. Its existence is a rare victory against the odds of natural selection. The orange nurse shark is both fragile and beautiful, a paradox brought to life. Its albinism unlocked a spectacle never before seen in its species. Xanthochromism is the mutation that gives the orange nurse shark its dazzling color. This condition causes the shark's skin cells to store excessive orange pigment, painting it from head to tail. Unlike naturally orange fish, this is a genetic anomaly in nurse sharks. The pigments come from its diet: crabs, lobsters, and other animals rich in carotenes. The shark's skin, covered in translucent flattened scales, lets the orange shine through. This rare mutation transforms a creature built for stealth into a beacon of color. Xanthochromism is almost unheard of in sharks, making this individual a scientific marvel. It's a living example of how a single genetic change can rewrite an animal's appearance. The orange nurse shark is a testament to nature's endless creativity. How does a bright orange shark survive in a world of predators? The answer lies in its habitat, discovered at 120 feet deep, where orange light barely penetrates. At these depths, the shark's color fades to gray-blue, providing natural camouflage. Its brilliant color is only visible under artificial light or near the surface. This depth-activated camouflage lets the shark rest safely during the day, hidden from predators. What seems like a fatal flaw at the surface becomes a shield in the deep. The orange nurse shark's survival is a lesson in how environment and biology interact. Its deepwater refuge has allowed it to thrive where others might not. Sometimes, what looks like a disadvantage is actually a hidden strength. The orange nurse shark's nocturnal habits are another secret to its survival. By day, it rests motionless on the seabed, reducing its chances of being spotted. At night, it becomes an active hunter, using senses other than sight to find prey. In the darkness, its color is irrelevant. Predators and prey can't see it. The shark's barbels, sense of smell, and electroreception make it a formidable nocturnal predator. Its hunting relies on stealth and sensation, not visibility. This lifestyle perfectly matches its unique appearance: visible when least active, invisible when most active. The orange nurse shark's behavior, habitat, and physiology align for survival. It's a beautiful example of adaptation in action. The striking orange color of this nurse shark is a direct result of its diet, specifically from carotenes, pigments that the shark cannot produce on its own. Instead, it must obtain these vibrant pigments from the food it consumes in its environment. Nurse sharks are opportunistic feeders, and their menu is surprisingly diverse. They regularly hunt for crabs, clams, and lobsters, all of which are rich in nutrients and pigments. These shellfish not only provide essential proteins and fats, but also contain the carotenes that can influence the shark's coloration. But perhaps most importantly, nurse sharks are known to feed on sea urchins. Sea urchins are especially rich in carotenes, making them a particularly potent source of these pigments. When sea urchins are abundant, they can become a staple in the nurse shark's diet, further intensifying the orange hue. Recently, a significant die-off of sea urchins in the region has occurred, leaving large numbers of these carotene-rich creatures available as easy prey. This sudden abundance of food may have provided the nurse shark with an unprecedented opportunity to consume more carotenes than usual, saturating its tissues with these pigments. When this dietary boost is combined with a rare genetic mutation that affects pigment processing, it creates the perfect conditions for the shark's intense, almost glowing orange color. The interplay between genetics and environment is on full display here. This sea urchin hypothesis highlights how environmental changes, like a sudden die-off, can amplify rare traits in wildlife. It's a vivid example of how the food web and genetic diversity interact, sometimes producing extraordinary results. The health of a single species, such as the sea urchin, can set off a chain reaction throughout the ecosystem. When one population crashes or booms, it can have ripple effects that touch many other creatures, often in ways we don't immediately expect. While the mass die-off of sea urchins is an ecological crisis, it may have inadvertently contributed to the survival and unique appearance of this particular nurse shark. The shark's vivid color is a direct outcome of this environmental upheaval. The orange nurse shark stands as a living reminder of the deep interconnections within marine ecosystems. Every species, from the smallest invertebrate to the largest predator, plays a role in shaping the world beneath the waves. Sometimes nature's most spectacular and unexpected outcomes are the result of chance, circumstance, and the intricate web of life that binds all ocean creatures together. The orange shark is an Atlantic nurse shark, one of 3 nurse shark species worldwide. These bottom dwellers are built for stealth, with broad heads, smooth skin, and 2 rounded dorsal fins. Their most distinctive feature fleshy barbels for sensing prey hidden in sand. Nurse sharks are suction feeders using powerful jaws to vacuum up crabs, lobsters, and fish. Their teeth are designed for gripping and crushing, not tearing. Despite their docile reputation, they're strong and should be respected. The orange nurse shark shares all these traits. Only its color sets it apart. It's a gentle giant, given a spectacular genetic makeover. A familiar species, made extraordinary by a twist of fate. The orange nurse shark is more than a curiosity, it's a symbol of the ocean's mysteries. Its discovery opens new doors for research into genetics, adaptation, and survival. Studying this shark could reveal secrets about pigment cells and rare mutations. Its survival shows how behavior and environment can overcome genetic disadvantages. The orange shark has become an ambassador for marine conservation, capturing public imagination. Its story highlights the delicate balance of ocean ecosystems and the need to protect them. This one shark proves the world is still full of wonders waiting to be found. Its legacy is a reminder to keep exploring, studying, and safeguarding our oceans. A splash of impossible color urging us to cherish the marvels of the natural world.